Hello, and thank you for having me here today. My name is John Remedies, and I'm excited to share a summary of equitable remedies available to torts complaints in the state of Arizona. In this presentation, I'll cover the difference between legal and equitable remedies, provide some historical context, discuss common examples of equitable remedies, and highlight two Arizona cases where these remedies were applied. Let's begin with the note between legal and equitable equitable remedies. Legal remedies primarily involve monetary damages awarded to compensate the injured party for their losses. For instance, if someone suffers financial harm in a car accident, the court may award damages to cover medical expenses and lost wages. Equitable remedies, on the other hand, focus on fairness and seek to address the situation where the monetary compensation is not enough. These remedies are open and aim to provide a more modified resolution. Common forms include restriction, specific performance, and rescission of contracts. Histories of equitable remedies. The origins of equitable remedies date to the English Court of Chancery in the 14th century. At that time, individuals who could not find justice in the common law courts petitioned the king, who appointed these cases to the head of the government. The head of the government decision emphasized fairness and justice, forming the basis of modern equity law. Courts can grant equitable relief in Arizona under the Arizona Rule of Civil Procedure, Rule 65, and related statutes. In the U.S., including Arizona, equitable remedies are now integrated into the judicial system but retain the discretionary nature. Some examples of equitable remedies. Now let's explore some common equitable remedies. Injunction is our first one. Court orders preventing or mandating certain actions, often used to stop ongoing harm or enforce legal rights. For instance, a court may issue an injunction to prevent a company from polluting a water source. Specific is our next one. Specific performance. Primarily used in contract cases. It compels a party to fulfill their obligations when monetary damages are insufficient. It's typically applied in real estate transactions where monetary damages cannot adequately sustain the property. Our third one, declaration relief. This allows the court to clarify the legal rights or obligations of the parties without awarding damages or other relief. Our fourth one is rescissions. Rescissions cancels a contract and restores the parties to the original position as if the agreement never occurred. Now we're going to go to our Arizona case law. To illustrate equitable remedies in action, let's examine our two Arizona case laws. And the first one is Lozoya versus Sanchez, 201 RZ 172 in 2001. In this case, the court addressed unjust enrichment. Lozoya's contributions to improving Sanchez's property led to the imposition of a construction trust. The court held that it would be inequitable for Sanchez to retain the benefits without compensation. Our next case is Valenzuela Energy Company versus Arizona Department of Revenue 191 in 1998. This case involved equitable estoppel. Valenzuela Energy relied on incorrect advice from the Arizona Department of Revenue The court ruled that the government could be stopped from collecting taxes due to their reliances and harm caused by the Valencia energy. And my closing, equitable remedies play a vital role in achieving fairness when the legal remedies fall short. By understanding these remedies and their application in cases like Lozoya and Valencia Energy, attorneys can better serve clients and uphold justice. Thank you for your attention. Now let's review the sources I used for my presentation. My sources is in Arizona Judicial Branch, and Arizona Judicial Branch Rules of Civil Produce retrieved from Arizona Court. Lozoya versus Sanchez 201, Arizona. Valencia Energy Company versus Arizona Department of Revenue. Dobbs DB Law of Remedies Damages Equity Recitation, St. Paul West Publishing Company. University of Arizona Law Resources on Equitable Remedies and the Arizona Court of Law. I thank you for giving me this opportunity to stand and give you my presentation. Thank you.